Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So we're going to continue with the hair series once again because I know you guys be secretly liking these curly hair videos. The views that my last video got were shocking because I've never seen that many views on my channel. Like for other people might be like, okay, you only got like 800 views. For me, I was like, what? Thank you guys for that. So today I will be using KeraCare. I've been using KeraCare ever since I started to really understand the type of products that my hair liked. Not even that, I would say even before. I think maybe when I started doing my own hair, I was using KeraCare products. So KeraCare kindly sent me a box that I've messed up a little bit, but if you can see inside, there are some products that are falling, but there are some products in there and a Denman brush that I'm going to show you guys. So excited to give you KeraCare's top 5 hero products, perfect for boosting your natural strands while holding the styles you create. Lovely! How lovely is that? If you don't know KeraCare, they are a hair care brand for textured hair, so wavy, curly, kinky or coily hair. Let's get into it. So I've just come out of the shower with my wet hair here. I thought this might be easier to start with combed wet hair first instead of me here brushing all this hair, which will take us about another 10 minutes. So my hair is already damp and is already brushed. Don't know what I did here, I can't lie. I didn't know how to wrap it like how it says on the box, but I just did my own thing. Okay, it's still a bit wet, but we can work with that. Just gonna damp it a little bit more because I can still feel that it's quite wet. That should be okay though. Can't actually see that well because this ring light is very bright, but I am guessing that it looks fine. So out of all the products, I think I'm going to try the conditioning cream first. Then I might pair it with the foam wrap set lotion. Then I will brush it through with the Power Paddle Denman brush. I cannot wait to use this. I have seen this online and I did want to try it out, but I never bought it. I just stuck to my Tangle Teaser because that has always done the job for me, but this is something new. So we're gonna try this out today. That's it. I think we should begin before my hair starts getting dry and frizzy, like what's happening. I don't know what's happening right now, but it's definitely just gotten more dry as we've sat here and as we've spoken. So let's begin. I'm gonna start by applying the conditioning cream. I hope this is a nice consistency because I'm not one for a thick cream. Okay, they've given us thick cream. The fact that I'm tipping it upside down and it's not even coming out just shows how thick the consistency is. So I'm going to part my hair first so that I know what section I'm working on, and it just makes it easier, of course, to focus on that section and gets this out of the way. So with hair, it is important to section it whilst applying so that you're getting every bit of the hair that needs to be got. Let's get on to the next product. So the foam wrap set lotion. I haven't used any type of liquid like this in my hair for a long time. I remember that I used to use curly hair mousse in my hair and it did work for me, I think, but I don't use mousse anymore. But so this is reminding me of the mousse days, but we're gonna try this out anyway. This looks very interesting and I'm excited to try it out. Oh, okay, look at that. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells really nice. It smells like, it smells like lavender, but not too strong lavender, but like a nice clean scent of lavender. I don't really like lavender, to be honest, but I don't like it when it's too much, like too much lavender. I don't know how much is too much, but I'm loving the bubbly. Okay, I know what type of product this is. This is like your finishing product, I'm guessing, because it's very light on the hair. It almost feels like So I'm actually using this product wrong. I've just found out that you apply the lotion, you cover your hair with a wrap cap, and then you remove the wrap cap once it's dry and your hair is ready to go. So if you have used it like that, then it probably will work better that way. However, I did like using it as a mousse too. Wrap set lotion. Oh, duh. Wrap set lotion. I'm dumb. That makes sense, you know. This is not the type of product you use as your first product. You use this to set your hair, wrap set. I'm just gonna use a little bit more because I'm enjoying it. And I'm just gonna put it on the ends to wrap set it. Such an idiot. This is very messy. Well, this is fun. I really liked that foam set. It's something new that I've never tried before. So I did really enjoy using that, and the smell was amazing. I actually really loved that, so that's a good thing. I think my hair looks different. Is it just me, or is it just me? It's definitely a lot bushier and frizzier than usual, as you can see inside. I feel like if I had a more moisturizing product, particularly the first product, which was the conditioning cream, if that was a little bit more moisturizing, then I would have had a really strong first base. So I think the video is done. If you made it to the end of the video, then thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.